Hey guys, luckily apartment repair tools are getting wiser along with phones and kettles today. Today on the YouFact channel, we show you the coolest items for easy repairing things you'll definitely like. Links to everything can be found in the video's description. Using a measuring laser in many construction tasks is so crucial because it offers precise measurements of the length you desire to measure. This laser tool has a 164-foot measuring range, which enables you to measure any distance you might require in your home. More interesting about this tool is the built-in wheel, which allows you to measure round, curved, or uneven surfaces with ease. It's also durable, crash-proof, waterproof, and dust-proof. It can measure area, volume, distance, length, addition and subtraction, and continuous measurement. Having this laser measuring tool in your toolkit will definitely simplify and speed up your renovation and construction efforts. Rolling knee pads are designed to spare you the painful knee and back aggravation if you work on your all fours for extended periods of time. High-quality knee blades allow for more balance, flexibility, and mobility. The three-wheeled mobile base allows for full 360-degree turning capability without lifting from the floor. With the push of a button, you can go from knee blade to knee pads. Gel pads are designed to evenly displace weight and lessen the pressure on your knee while fitting the contour of the knee. You can secure them comfortably with less tension on the back of your knee. Besides freeing you up from knee and back soreness, these knee pads with wheels also improve your mobility and speed up job completion. The wall scanner or stud finder is equipment to find studs in drywall to hang your television, a decoration piece, or a wall clock you might have bought for your house. Because hanging something blindly on drywall is not safe, for that you need a wall scanner. Tavool utilizes an upgraded modern technology using internal sensors to accurately detect the studs under the drywall. The sensor works by sensing the change of density in the wall. It can also detect live AC wiring accurately and quickly. This stud finder is easy to use and suitable whether you're a homeowner or a professional electrician. This technology gives you amazing results at a very reasonable price. One of the factors that make one cordless impact drill better than the other one is power. The Avid Power has an unbelievable amount of power that's generated by its high-performance motor. It has a 1500 mega-amp-hour lithium-ion battery and a variable speed trigger. This feature makes it very easy to control the speed of your drill from 0 to 2000 RPM and provide precise control for driving in and out screws and drilling into wood, ceramics, drywall, plastics, and even metal with ease. There's also a bright LED light that enhances visibility in low light conditions. Perfect for tasks around the home, garage, garden, and workshop, including drilling holes as well as driving in and out screws. During your routine repairs, you'll definitely face lots of dust when drilling, cutting, and dismantling something. How to keep your workspace clean and avoid inhaling harmful particles. The Bosch Hammer Dust Collection attachment will help you to collect dust during drilling. The drill's dust suction ability reliably collects the surrounding dust while drilling a hole and directs it to a special container. The system is universal and is designed to be paired up with a vacuum, meaning it can be used in any size hammer and can accommodate the full range of drill bit diameter and drilling depth. As the drill bit penetrates the surface, all dust will be collected, allowing drilling to be done with both hands on the drill. This means no vacuum cleaner cleanup after the job is done. This compact tool saves both time and effort. Whether you're a hobbyist or a contractor, there are tools that you're required to make use of, and one such tool is a circular saw. This circular saw has a laser guide that helps you get precise, straight cuts. While cutting, the dust blower gets rid of any debris that might be in the way of the blade. One of the benefits is its 15-amp motor that delivers superior performance and high power. This model also has a bevel capacity of 51 degrees with a positive stop of 45 degrees. That proves its ability to produce varieties of cuts and deliver greater and better cut performance than most other models available on the market. And the price is great. Check it out in the description of the video. Every home needs a multi-purpose ladder. Whether you're decorating your home or doing repairs for other people, safety always comes first. Costco's aluminum telescoping ladder is what you need. The ladder has 5 different positions for access to just about any lofted space you could think of. It has a maximum height of 18 feet and a top weight limit of 300 pounds. The components are also high quality. It's made of aircraft quality aluminum, so it's about as durable as a ladder can get. The weight may be a problem, however. Many users talk about how bulky the ladder is. It can be hard to use on your own, but if you're good with that, the Bosco is a great ladder to have. The industrial heavy-duty hanging scale is great for agriculture, industrial, and general home use. It holds up to 660 pounds and can attach to any chain or hook. While it normally reads in real time, you can press and hold function to keep the weight on display after removing the load. This makes it easy to read and record weights as needed. Let's move on to personal protective equipment, which is of particular importance here. This one specifically protects your eyes. Most people avoid using these types of products as they can often create a distraction by slipping off the nose due to a bad grip or a wrong size. However, these safety glasses can be used to ensure maximum performance and safety. They prevent splashes of molten metals and liquids, along with dust and particles from entering the eyes. They also offer sun and infrared radiation protection. The frames of the glasses provide excellent peripheral vision, while the scratch-resistant polycarbonate solid lenses provide long-lasting protection. These glasses, in addition, don't fog up. These safety glasses do not require special care and will suit everyone thanks to their outstanding characteristics. You may have heard frightful stories of workers who've lost their fingers at construction sites, but Chilean inventors come up with the best solution in the form of these indestructible Mark 8 safety gloves, which claims to put an end to such tragic incidents. Made from nitrile, cotton, and shatterproof thermoplastic material, these inventive safety gloves are able to withstand the worst tools workers face on the job, from hammers and bladed tools to axes. The first layer of the glove is penetrable, but the protective cover seems virtually indestructible. The shatterproof material used in making the Mark 8 safety gloves cover the fingertips and the top of the glove entirely. The material is flexible enough to keep mobility in the hands as well as maintain sensitivity, but the finger pads are strong enough to withstand even the harshest tools used at various construction sites. The gloves are available in 4 different varieties, ranging from nitrile gloves with a short cuff kidskin to leather gloves with long cuff for handling difficult construction works like welding. An excessive noise can badly affect your eardrums. The right ear protection can go a long way toward ensuring that you have a safe and enjoyable user experience. This is a Bluetooth-capable headphone that can be hooked up to a Wi-Fi source for listening to tunes or AM/FM radio. The padding of the unit helps to protect excessive sound waves with a noise reduction rating of 24 dB, while still providing the audio that you want to hear. The battery of the unit will last up to 8 hours, which should keep you covered during a complete workday. Hate throwing away those items that just can't be fixed? Broken glasses? Repaired. Leaky plumbing holes? Patched. Broken dishes? Not anymore. Simply add Bondic's special liquid plastic formula to the item you need repaired, shine the special UV light on it for only 4 seconds, and you're done. Bondic is designed to last forever, ensuring you get a long-lasting hold, which means once you fix it, it's actually fixed. Bondic works on any surface, including metal, wood, glass, ceramics, plastic, and more, and it's not a glue, so it won't dry out or get sticky and messy. Stop throwing away broken items and give them a second life with Bondic. It's perfect for a homeowner, dad, or someone who just likes to be able to fix things and feel like James Bond while doing it. The Lasertack Life SCL01 is among the ultimate and inexpensive laser tools of line levels that we found. This tool has a projection range which is a lengthy 50 feet. It has most all of the features for leveling with an accuracy of plus or minus 1/9 of an inch. It's able to project a strikingly visible line while operating at its utmost maximum range as well. It also possesses a feature for auto leveling, which works within 4 degrees. In case this tool is placed out of the 4-degree level, you'll then see the laser beam blinking continuously until you bring it within its range. You'll be sure that your accuracy as well as your level is correct if you observe a stable red cross projected on your wall. It's very simple to mount this particular laser level. Below the tool, there'll be a thread which fixes the tool to mostly all tripods commonly available. Also, it's accompanied by a strong mount that's magnetic, which fastens to surfaces of metal. You can also turn the laser level around at 360 degrees, project lines in any position or angle, or adjust the height from the tripod. This device is durable and accurate. It possesses almost all the features that you need under this specific category.